Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this episode I'll be cooking baby octopus or Faia'i Fe'e with Filipino style or Filipino ingredients. Let's start cooking. Here's my ingredients. Baby octopus, chopped onions, coconut cream, Mama Sita's Adobo mix, chopped garlic, bay leaves, salt and pepper, and water. We will start by transferring the octopus in the pan. I have thoroughly washed the baby octopus and remove the unnecessary bits and pieces, shells, and all the dirt that may stuck on the octopus. We will boil the octopus and then we will clean it up again and move on. All right, let's move on to cooking our baby octopus. Okay, we'll add some water. Bring that to a boil. I'll get rid of this water and then I'll add more water again and I'll keep boiling until it's thoroughly clean. So let me do that. I've added a new water and I'm gonna boil it again. And then we'll get rid of this water and continue on with the recipe. Comment below if you have cooked octopus before and how you cooked it and your favorite way of cooking octopus. For me, I love cooking these baby ones. I know I could be mean, but I find it hard to cook the big size octopus, because not only I'm scared of cleaning it and preparing it, but these mini ones or these baby octopus are pretty easy to cook for me. So yeah, if you can tell me below in the comments how you like your octopus. You know, for us Polynesians, we love it so much with coconut cream and onions, flavorings. Faia'i Fe'e we call it. I know there's other ways that octopus can be cooked. So yeah, let me know how you enjoy or how you like to cook your octopus. Nearly there. Okay, that is enough. We will now get rid of this water and then make sure it's thoroughly clean. I'm sure it's, you know, everything's clean. We've been boiling it for probably 10-15 minutes and I've changed the water twice. That seafood smell is actually disappearing slowly, or ocean water I should say smell. Let me drain the water off and then we'll continue on. Let me say something. Just like when you clean the big octopus, there's that part there where you have to get rid of something in there sometimes. And just make sure that you thoroughly clean the head. Even though they're small ones, you know, you still have to try and clean it thoroughly. That's what I'm doing. I thoroughly clean everything out. Let's add a little bit of oil into the pan, a couple of tablespoons, and let's add the onions. We'll add our garlic and bay leaves. Let's go ahead and add our baby octopus. Right now we'll add our Mama Sita's Adobo mix sachet. So give it a good stir. Smells amazing. Right now we'll add about a cup of water or half a cup, and then we will go ahead and add our coconut cream. Start with that amount first. Starting to thicken now. The Cara coconut cream is very thick. That's why I added some water in the beginning. So if you can see, it's starting to thicken a bit more than it was before. We'll cook it a few more minutes and we should be ready. Now, this is optional. You don't have to add it if you don't want to. But I just want to add a little bit of dark soy sauce to bring that color, a little bit of dark color. So just slightly add about a teaspoon to take 1 tablespoon, not much. But the smell and the aroma from the adobo mix, the bay leaves, it just takes that traditional Faia'i Fe'e with just coconut cream and onions and salt to the next level. Let me give it a taste to see if I need to add more salt and pepper. I think I'll add a little bit of salt. And a touch of pepper. Friends and families, this is it. Very quick and easy Faia'i Fe'e with a touch of Filipino flavoring, adobo mix, bay leaves, and coconut cream. Okay. Thank you for tuning in with me and cooking with Mills. I hope you have an amazing day out there and stay safe always. Thank you to all my subscribers, and thank you for viewing my videos. To all the viewers out there, I appreciate your support to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the like button if you like or enjoy any of my recipes that I put on. Again, I wouldn't be here without your support, so it means a lot to me and the family. Take care everyone, and I will see you in the next episode.